Hello and welcome back to Year 9 Chemistry. This is Week 9, Session 1, Balancing Symbol Equations, the Core Method. This is a big one, and I want you to feel confident, not nervous, because balancing equations is really just a puzzle with one simple rule. Every student who's ever struggled with it was missing that one rule, and today you're going to own it. By the end of this lesson, you'll balance equations calmly and correctly. Let's do this together, step by step. 4 goals today. First, explain why every equation must conserve atoms. Second, balance equations using coefficients. Third, use a simple atom count table to stay organized. And fourth, learn the one thing you must never do while balancing. Get these and balancing becomes a routine you can trust. Let's start with the why, because it makes everything else make sense. In a chemical reaction, atoms are rearranged, but never created and never destroyed. If you start with 10 oxygen atoms, you must finish with 10 oxygen atoms, just bonded differently. This is the law of conservation of mass, and it means a balanced equation must have the same number of each type of atom on both sides of the arrow. Balancing is simply making the two sides agree on the atom count. That's the whole game. Here's the 4-step method that never fails. Step 1, write the correct formulae and don't touch them again. Step 2, count each element on both sides. Step 3, add whole number coefficients, the big numbers in front, to even things up. Step 4, recount everything and simplify to the smallest ratio. And here's the one rule you must never break. Never change a subscript to force a balance. Subscripts define the substance. Change them and you've changed the chemical. We only ever adjust the coefficients out front. Let's balance one together, magnesium oxide. We start with Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Count the oxygen, 2 on the left, 1 on the right, not balanced. So we place a 2 in front of MgO, giving 2 on the right. Now recount. Oxygen's fine, but magnesium is 1 on the left and 2 on the right. So we place a 2 in front of the Mg on the left. Recount one more time. 2 magnesiums each side, 2 oxygens each side. Balanced. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Notice, we only ever change the front numbers. Let's do the famous one, making water. We start with H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Look at the oxygen, 2 on the left, only 1 on the right. So make 2 waters, a 2 in front of H2O. That fixes the oxygen, 2 each side. But now count hydrogen, 2 on the left, but 4 on the right. So put a 2 in front of the H2 on the left. Recount, 4 hydrogens each side, 2 oxygens each side. Balanced. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. A rhythm is emerging, isn't it? Fix one element, recheck, fix the next. Let me show you a tool that keeps you calm under pressure, the atom count table. 4 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Make 2 columns, reactants and products. Hydrogen, 2 times 2 is 4 on the left, 2 times 2 is 4 on the right. Match. Oxygen, 1 times 2 is 2 on the left, 2 times 1 is 2 on the right. Match. When every row matches, you know for certain the equation is balanced. No guessing, no doubt. Especially with trickier equations, this little table is your best friend. Let's practice together. Can you balance Mg plus O2 gives MgO? Pause the video and try it. Balance the oxygen first, then the magnesium. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. And a thinking question, why must we never change subscripts? Because a different formula is a different substance. Changing H2O into H2O2 turns water into hydrogen peroxide. We change the amount with coefficients, never the identity with subscripts. Let's check your understanding. Question 1. Balance Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Pause and answer. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Question 2. Why can't we change H2O to H2O2 to balance? because it changes water into a different substance. Here's your recap. Balancing applies conservation of atoms, the same number of each atom on both sides. Write correct formulae first, then change only the coefficients. Recount every element and simplify. You've just learned a skill that unlocks the rest of chemistry, and you should feel genuinely proud. Now, let's make it automatic. Go to www.bz2exam.com and balance equation after equation with instant feedback that tells you the moment you get it right. That's how confidence is built, one problem at a time. Fantastic work today, and I'll see you next session for multi-step balancing.